enormous political and media pressure ensured that SP leader Raja Bhaiya, accused in the murder of the Kunda DSP, was made to resign as a minister and a CBI probe instituted. But what now? Mere the CM's promises of swift action just momentary, or is he going to walk the talk and ensure that Raja Bhaiya is arrested?
He was killed in the line of duty, and for his family, it's a tough fight against the system. A fight against the reign of terror of Dawn-turned politician Raja Bhaiya. When Times Now went to Deoria to meet the widow of Zia-ul Haq, the 30-year-old Parveen Azad, she revealed how despite her FIR against the former UP minister, no action has been taken against him.
ने FIR दर्ज किया है, तो जो FIR दर्ज होता है तो जितने लोग के खिलाफ FIR होता है उसको गिरफ्तार किया जाता है. इसमें से बस 2 लोग गिरफ्तार हुए हैं, वो भी इतने कूल होके अपने आराम से कुंडा थाने में घूम रहे थे.
Even Chief Minister's personal assurances to her to take action against those whom FIR has been filed now seem hollow to her.
Feel that the UP government is only trying to do a cover-up. They are not trying to really nab those people.
मैं किसी एक गवर्नमेंट या एक इंसान के नाम नहीं लेना चाहता. जो मैंने केस फाइल की है उस पे जो है जो कार्रवाई सिंपली होनी चाहिए वो हो.
And as the demand for Raja Bhaiya's arrest grows, the political blame game has begun, with Samajwadi Party assuring that action will be taken after an inquiry.
Raja Bhaiya is not flying anywhere. He will remain and he will definitely be. He has been, it has been told on the media also, it has been told by my Chief Minister also that severe action will be taken, stringent action will be taken, but we must understand that certain procedures have to be followed.
I also remember that privately, Samajwadi Party members used to say Congress Bureau of Investigation is the nomenclature that the CBI is. Where does CBI stand today as far as his resolve of great investigation for this country is concerned?
But so far, the questions still remain. Why he is not behind the bars? Why no preliminary probe has been done after FIR was registered? Why has the state government not filed a single petition in the court? And despite the Chief Minister's assurances, has the CBI probe started in the case?
There are at least a dozen cases which are already pending on Raghuraj Pratap Singh alias Raja Bhaiya. Thus, another case registered against him is not going to make any kind of difference. What they want is action to be done. They want, it is only an investigation which has been ordered. They want strong action to be taken, not against one individual. That is what the wife of the slain DYSP says. She says she wants each and every culprit who is responsible for this heinous crime to be taken to task, that all of them should be behind bars, and that too with immediate effect. With video journalist Abhay Aishwarya Kapoor for Times Now.